10 days after opening fire on Tippecanoe Superior Court, Judge Steve Meyer and his wife, 4 of the 5 suspects tied to the case showed up to court for the first time today. Also a first today, cameras in Judge Lisa Swaim's Cass County courtroom. News 18 was there as suspects filed in one after another. Raylan Ferguson of Lexington, Kentucky entered the courtroom today, making eye contact with members of the gallery. Court documents show Ferguson fired multiple shots through the front door while the Meyers were inside their home. Ferguson is also accused of buying and using a face mask to commit the crime. His bond has been set at $4 million cash and $2 million surety. 32-year-old Blake Smith also appearing in court for the first time today. Court documents say Smith bought a gun back on January 5th, matching the description of the gun used in the January 18th crime. Smith is also connected to the Phantom Motorcycle Club, which prides itself on being in the 1% club, indicating the club as outlaws. The judge has set Smith's bond at $3 million cash and $2 million surety. Amanda Millsap also hearing from the judge with her attorney present. Millsap is alleged to have called a person set to testify in Moss's case, offering that person $10,000 to not testify. Millsap's attorney went to bat for her today, arguing there isn't enough evidence to keep her behind bars. However, Judge Swaim has set Millsap's bond at $500,000 cash and $1 million surety. But a bit of a curveball in the courtroom today. One of the suspects in the case, Thomas Moss, making a pretty bold request in front of Judge Swaim. Reminder, the initial shooting happened just days before Moss was set to appear in court for a separate case. Take a listen to this exchange.
If you can't afford an attorney, I can appoint a public defender at this time, and then if you want later, if you decide to hire your own attorney, they can come into the case, the public defender will see it, they'll step out of the case, and I would rescind any public defender fee. Do you want me to do that?
No, ma'am.
You can hire your own?
Am I able to represent myself?
This advisement, and by your signature, you are waiving your right to counsel at this time.
Moss has a bond set at $3 million cash and $2 million surety. His jury trial is set for May 6th alongside Smith, Ferguson, and Millsap. All have been ruled to have no contact with anyone connected to the case. News 18 will attend all of the suspects' jury trials and will continue to follow this case closely as we near that date.